Welcome to the journey to knowledge.
Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to discuss about how to write bigger numbers and smaller numbers in the form of exponents. It is a fact that our earth is revolving round the sun throughout the year without any rest. Do you know what the mass of our earth is? It is 5970 triple zero 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 kg. And mass of Uranus is 86800 triple zero 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 kg. Can you read these numbers? Or can you compare which has the greater mass? To read, understand and compare these numbers, we use exponents. Now we'll see what are exponents. We know that 100 is 10 into 10 and 1000 is 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 we can write it as 10 to the power 2 and 10 into 10 into 10 we can write it as 10 to the power 3. These two numbers 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 3 can be said as exponential form. So writing numbers in the form of base and power. So here in 10 power 3, 10 is called the base and 3 is called the power or exponent. And the number is read as 10 raised to the power 3. We know that expanded form of 62,345 is 6 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. This can be written as 6 into 10 power 4 plus 2 into 10 power 3 plus 3 into 10 power 2 plus 4 into 10 power 1 plus 5 into 1. The base can be other numbers also. It's not necessary that always the base should be 10. So here 81 we can just do prime factorization. So 81 divided by 3 we will get 27. 27 again dividing with 3 we get 9. 9 again dividing with 3 we get 3. 3 again dividing with 3 we will get 1. So 81 we can write as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 which is written as 3 power 4. Same way 144 prime factorize we get, first we can do with 2. So it will be 72. Again dividing with 2 we get 36. Again with 2 it is 18. Again with 2 it's 9. And 9 won't go in 2, so we will take 3 next. So if we divide with 3 we will get 3. Again dividing with 3 we get 1. So 144 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 4 2's are here, so we can write it as 2 power 4 into 2 3's are there. So 3 power 2. Now we'll see how to express large numbers in the form of exponents. Observe the following numbers. 45 can be written as 4.5 into 10, or we can write it as 4.5 into 10 power 1. Same way, if it is 450, we can write it as 4.5 into 100. That is 4.5 into 10 power 2. And consider 4500. Then it will be 4.5 into 1000. So we can write it as 4.5 into 10 power 3. Let it be little more bigger number. 45,000, which will be equal to 4.5 into 10,000. We can write it as 4.5 into 10 power 4. What if it is 45 crores? So we can write it as 4.5 into 10 crores, which is equal to 4.5 into 10 power 8, because for 10 crores there will be 8 zeros. So we can write it as 10 power 8. Now we will compare the mass of Earth and Uranus. So we have seen that mass of Earth is 5,970, 0,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 kg. So we can write it as 5.97 into 10 power 24, because after 5 there are 24 digits. And mass of Uranus is 86800, again 0,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 kg. 8.68 into 10 power 25 kg, because after 8 there are 25 digits. So by comparing, we know that for mass of Uranus there is 10 power 25. So it has the highest mass. So we are able to compare as well as read the number easily using exponents. Do you think only large numbers can be expressed in the form of exponents? No. We can write any numbers in the form of exponents, even minute numbers too. Observe the following. 0.4, which is a number less than 1. So we can write it as 4 by 10. That is again written, we can write it as 4 by 10 power 1. And while bringing exponent numbers to the numerator from denominator, we can change the symbol of the power. So it will be 4 into 10 power minus 1. Now see this number, 0.054 is taken. We can write it as 54 by 1000, which is equal to 54. We can write in standard form as 5.4 into 10 power 1 by 1000 is nothing but 10 into 10 into 10. So we can cancel 110 and we can write it as 5.4 by 10 power 2, and if we take to the numerator it will be power minus 2. Now see this number, 0.00002543 is taken. So we can write it as 2543 by 10 crore, because after decimal point there are 8 digits. Now we can write it as 2.543 into 10 power 3 by 10 crore can be written as 10 power 8. Now as we have learned, we can write a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So this will be 2.543 into 10 power 3 minus 8, which is equal to 2.543 into 10 power minus 5. This can be done in another way also. That is, we can just bring the decimal point after 2. That is, from the decimal point where it is, from there it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So since we are bringing to the right side, we can write it as 2.543 into 10 power minus 5. Now we will go through some examples. First one, 34350000. can be written as 3.435 into 10 power 8. That is, after 3 there are 8 digits. So we can straight away write it as 10 power 8. Now we will do in another method. That is 400500 is given. We can write this number as 400500.0 also, right? Now what we are doing is we are taking the decimal point towards the left side, that is after the first number. So counting the number of places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places are there. So we need to bring the decimal point towards our left side 5 places. So we can write it as 4.005 into 10 power 5. Here another number is given, 98765.23. So we can write it as 9.876523 into 10 power. We are bringing the decimal point towards the left side, that is just after the first number. So here 4 digits we need to bring it left side. So we can write it as 10 power 4. And see this number. The number is 0.00000023, which is equal to 2.3 into 10 power we need to give. And the decimal point is there at our left hand side. And we have to bring it towards the right hand side, that is just after 2 we need to bring. So by counting the places we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places are there. So since we are bringing the decimal point towards the right side, we need to give it the power as -8. So just remember this one. If the decimal point we are taking to the left side, we can give the power as positive. And if we are taking the decimal point from left towards the right side, then the power will be negative. Hope you understood the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.